In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can request desktop site on Chrome using your mobile device. You can simply request for desktop site on your Chrome browser in just few simple steps. To do this, open up your Chrome browser. Right here, select any site of your own choice. Let's say this YouTube site right here. On this page, tap on the three dots on your bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down onto the option of Request Desktop Site. If you click on this option, your preview page will show as if you are on a desktop. That's how easy it is to request desktop site on Chrome Mobile. You can change it at any time and request of mobile site. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.